project for today, we're going to start taking some of these mirrors down. We have the material to do the backsplash here and over in here. It's a stone colored, or it's actually a real stone, and hopefully this kind of catches or picks it up, and pretty closely matches in the on the countertop. So this is going to go on the backsplash, and we'll see how that goes. But this mirrored backsplash here has to come off first. So that's the mirror we're going to start with, and on that, then we've got this mirror, this big huge full-length mirror, that's coming out. This mirror here, that's going to come off. We're going to recover the wall treatments, or the window treatments, and we're going to put up a whole new chair rail down through this area, right underneath these windows and down through. That'll finish off the bottom, and then we're going to re-wallpaper the upper parts, which really is not very much wallpaper at all. Of course, this section over here, when the mirrors out of here, that will be re-wallpaper. That will be wallpapered on this side. Okay, guys, well, this is the next day, and as anybody that's been watching my videos for any length of time knows that I do one-take videos, so what you see is not edited out unless I make a real big blunder. So this is the next day, and I didn't film yesterday when we were doing a lot of this stuff out of my wife doesn't like to be on film, so and she does as much as I do, and so while she was in here and doing things, and I was also, I didn't film, so I'll show you the results of what happened yesterday. So we took down mirrors. I took this set of mirrors down here. We're going to be installing the backsplash, and like I say, this backsplash is the one that we're going to be installing here. It's real stone, so this is going to basically be up, you know, in this area up in here. We're going to continue this, you know, all along and end at the end of the countertop there, around the window, that kind of stuff. So it's going to be a little challenging cutting stone. I bought a tile cutter, and we'll see how good I do with that. It's the first time I've done anything like that. Eleanor, that's my wife, started redoing the cabinets, and so it's these cabinets have already been done here. Let me see if I can show you a cabinet that has not been done. She's gone, and they have to be gone over again. Here's a good example right here, between here and here. This is what all the cabinets looked like. They were kind of faded out, dry, and this is what they look like now. These have not been polished yet. This has only had the first coat. She may go over these again, and then when she gets done, they'll be polished on top of this. So really does a pretty good job. She's done these before, not these cabinets, but she's done cabinets like this before. And I've had a couple requests on what does she use. This is what she uses. This is Restore Finish. And you can buy it in the different finishes. This one happens to be golden oak because that's what they are. And then after she's all done with that, she goes over it with this feed and wax. It's a wood polish. It's like a beeswax, I believe. Yeah, it is beeswax and an orange oil that's into it. This kind of feeds the cabinets and keeps them from drying out. Does a really, really super nice job. We've used this in other projects that we've had in the past. And we were thinking about going over these and then polying them. And she decided, because we've had such good luck with this stuff in the past, to go ahead and try this. And it's going to be satisfactory. This is kind of another, she's went down to here and stopped because we're going to be doing this here, and she didn't want to, if you go down further, it may inhibit the adhesion of that, so she didn't go any further in this area here. There was another huge mirror, if you remember the other video that was here. It was full length, all the way down and all the way over to that cabinet, and it just really, you know, other than I understand that mirrors make things look bigger, and it was a selling point, but there was way too many mirrors in here. We didn't need them, and I got to be taking, this is a double stick tape that they used, so I'm going to be taking this off, and then she'll polish the top, and like I say, the bottom all the way along this whole area here to the bottom of the window is going to be, they call it different things, beadboard, chair rail type, you know, stuff, and it's going to go all the way along that side. And then this here obviously was another mirror. We took this mirror down, and she's going to repaper the inside. So we still have, she's picking out the material for the windows, and that'll be there. This mirror is going to stay, obviously, because it's a huge door, big closet. This is where the washer dryer would normally be, and we may install a washer dryer in here and go from there. If we do, it'll have to be an external vent, because these doors won't allow it to vent. So we'll put an external vent into it if we do that. She was also looking at using this backsplash material, this stone, in the bathroom. It'll obviously go, it's the same countertop, same color countertop. So, and we don't like these kind of things, so we're going to take these off. We'll go back, we'll go up this way here, and obviously stop at the counter and go there, and then we'll re-wallpaper this. This carpeting here is going to be replaced. I've taken the mirror down already in here, and she'll make a custom backsplash or a headboard, which would be nice to be able to sit here and maybe go up against the headboard if it's padded, and just, you know, sit there and relax and do what you need to, or whatever you want to do. This is the carpeting that was around the sides of the bed and up the side of the motor cover. We kept it only because it's going to be a template for the new carpeting. So when we get the new carpeting, we'll lay that out and do that. So The floor's in not bad shape. They're in pretty good shape, other than having a million staples into them. I pulled the staples out of the bottom. I got to pull the staples out of the sides now, and stuff. So that's where we're at inside, and I've got to repair this door. It slides fine, and but there's something wrong with the one wheel onto it to hold it straight. So that's got to come apart. We'll show you what we do there and get that taken care of. There was another mirror here on the back side of this door. I removed that. We've got to take this stuff off, and then we'll clean it and polish the inside of this door. This made this door very, very heavy. And let's face it, this is a door that, could be used quite often when you go into the bathroom. You got to pull it shut and stuff. So it's just one of those things. It was just made it more convenient to not have that mirror there. And let's face it, you got a 4-foot mirror here. You don't need another full-length mirror there. Plus you have another mirror here and another 2 mirrors up there. So we have plenty of mirrors left. Anyway, so that was our results from yesterday. We did find 2 new chairs for here. These are not recliners. They are a swivel and a rocker, but the arms are, there's no padding in a couple of them, and they're just old. And so we bought 2 new brown recliner for in here for this area here. So now the hunt will be on to see if we can find a matching jackknife sofa for this area. If we can, we're going to upgrade this couch to match the 2 chairs that we bought on that. So that brings you up to date, and I've got some projects that I can do in here, but it's right at this point it's warming up outside. It's almost 40 degrees outside, and sunny, so we're going to do a couple projects outside. So if you like what we're doing here, and you want to keep track of what we're going to do and what we're doing with this old girl, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. There's a bell there that'll give you a notification every time we put up a video, and that way you won't miss an episode of the Monaco project. And we're going to catch you later. Thank you.